I guess you know why I ordered this system, Jennifer.
Certainly not because you're surrendering to urban paranoia.
No.
And not because it's just a great big fun toy.
No?
You installed it because it's a reasonable response to an unreasonable situation.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now, where were we?
Fully activated, I believe.
Okay. Here we go. And there we are again. See?
Yeah.
Now, if anybody opens that door, an alarm sounds here and at the police station. And then help is on the way. Unless you call this number that I have written down right over here. See?